When you first said it was over, yeah, it all went black. Didn't get any closure, like a heart attack. But then you came back.